This is Pranav Thakurta from Edu TV. Today, we are with the famous Mr. Singh, Mr. Ajay Singh, who is the headmaster, Punjab Public School, Nabha, which is one of the renowned schools of the country, residential school. And prior to this, sir was with the prestigious Genesis Global School at Noida Expressway. He took up the school to great heights. Sir, how did this journey started?
I am a teacher by chance, I would say that. So it's actually getting into this profession by chance. So born in a village, actually, I am a villager by birth in Bihar, that's Chhapra district.
Okay.
To a landed family. And since my father was in the Government of India service, so then we shifted to Mumbai in 75 when I was 5 years old. And from there, this journey of learning started as a student. And it has been an amazing journey from Mumbai. That time it was Bombay, which we dream of. So 9 years, then coming back to Delhi. When my father was posted outside, he was in a deputation from Government of India to Iraq. Subsequently, then coming back for a year to stay in Patna, finishing my class 12 from there. And then going on to clear the entrance examinations. In fact, being very lucky enough to top the entrance examinations and enter the prestigious Banaras Hindu University. So that was a big achievement for me to be in that university. So when I entered, because my dream and my passion was actually to be in the civil services. And I was a very proud aspirant and aspiring to get in the police services, Indian police service. Was fortunate enough to really be amongst the toppers. I was the highest mark scorer in both my graduation and my master's in psychology. Then I sat down seriously for my civil service examinations. So good 2-3 attempts, but finally couldn't land up. All good reasons or bad reasons, finally couldn't end up. So subsequently, my subject, which to be honest, got me into the HIV/AIDS program. Now that program was good. I was in charge of the counseling cell in a prestigious hospital of Government of India, and there I got a chance to sit for, apply for Mayo College Ajmer. Now, what was the turning point? The turning point was when I was dealing with HIV patients and actually saw first time patients with AIDS. Now it's a very airy sight. It's difficult to actually stand the last sight of a patient who is a terminal AIDS patient. So somehow it was something which changed my decision. So what could I do best? I could not do business. I'm not cut out for business. I would be a drastic loser and I would just, not create wealth, rather create wealth for other people's by losing my wealth. So the other thing which I thought I could do was to try and teach. And I'll just tell you, if you give me the time, I'll just tell you that the Mayo College journey was fantastic. I took the bus, I came over, first is I came over by train, and then I was taking this bus to Ajmer from Delhi. But somehow in Jaipur, that bus, something happened. Then again, I had to change. And it was a touch and go for me to enter Mayo College. When the exam had already started at 9, I reached there at 9:30. And today, the senior headmaster who is at Mayo, he was on exam duty, Mr. Pramod Rambaka. And that too, I landed up at Mayo College. And the auto wala took me to Oman instead of Oman Guest House, he took me to Oman House, where my predecessor, who is heading the Doon School now, Dr. Jakpreet Singh Hani, he was the housemaster of that house. And such a fine gentleman, he was playing tennis with somebody. He said, just rush to Oman Guest House and the senior block. So I managed to request Mr. Rambaka that give me half an hour. I think that will be more than enough for me. To my grace, God's grace, he allowed me to sit for the exam. I cleared it. Then I was told that, yes, you need to stay back and there will be an interview in the Oman Guest House. Now, the panel was very strong. Mr. Pramod Sharma, one of the luminaries in education, Shri V.P. Singh Ji Badnor, who was that time he was the chairman of that Educational Academic Council of Mayo College, Shri C.V. Singh Ji. So there were quite lots of luminaries who were there in the board which interviewed me. And then I was asked to again stay back after clearing my interview. I was asked to stay back. And they said that you will have to give 2 demo lessons. So an entrance exam, an interview, and then 2 demo lessons. I was given a very spacious and a very fantastic five-star hotel treatment in the Mayo guest house. That's where it started. And I interacted with the kids the next day. And I thought I could handle these kids. Because the next journey was, I'm also having an interview in Pune for the post of assistant director in the Ministry of Maternal Health and Reproductive Care. So it was a fantastic journey. So I just wanted to be safe. Ultimately, they gave me the offer letter, and from there I rushed to Pune. For the first time, with my money, which they paid me, I booked a ticket first class, AC, to Pune. Now, when I got into teaching, that's the time I started enjoying. When the questions started cropping up, not of the subject alone, but of life in general, because I happen to be also a counselor at Mayo College. That's where your involvement with students meant that you are adding on to their lives, adding value to their lives, not only as a teacher, but as a friend, as a philosopher, as a counselor, and as a hockey supervisor. So that was an evolvement, an evolution in itself, from being a simple student of psychology to an aspirant and to a teacher. But the fulfillment started happening. Initially, I had my hitch. I'll tell you why. I come from a kind of a very a society which looks up certain hierarchies. You know, to say that you're a schoolmaster did not sound very pleasant to the ears that way. But all said and done, I think today I have no regrets over that. So this journey of being a teacher, then a housemaster subsequently at Mayo College Ajmer, which is equivalent to being a day school principal, getting your students to get very high averages. They reach out to you in times of distress. And then I made a move. I thought I need to grow further. So Mr. Sharma had started a new school after his stint at Mayo. He had started a new school on the expressway, a beautiful school. And he offered me a job there, initially as the head of residences. And this was an institution which we saw grow right from infancy. So today I can say that I have benefited so much by this journey, from a traditional stronghold of education called Mayo College to a novice new place which was shaping up, which was coming up. All the buildings came up in front of me, the staff residences, the cafeteria, the hostel, everything came up in front of me, all the three curriculums. So as an individual, I grew. As a teacher, I grew. I taught all the three curriculums. And at one point of time, I was the head of residence. I was the head of CBSE. I was teaching psychology to CBSE, teaching psychology to IB, teaching theory of knowledge to IB kids. So it was an amazing kind of a journey, as well as career counseling, filling up the forms for students. But it was satisfying, you know, when parents came up to you and with tears in the eyes used to say that, thank you so much, it was done. I mean, nothing could be better than it. When students reached out to you in the light of night, sir, can I call you right now? I think I need some help. That's it. So from there, you spend 8 years in Genesis Global School, see it grow up, see that new school reach its foundations, the team works together, build a new team of CBSE and IB and everything. So it was an amazing journey at Genesis Global School, and today the school is doing pretty well. But again, you know, you have done your 9 years, again 8 years. So what next? The next was an independent IPSC school, and by God's grace, I think I got the offer and the chance to serve Punjab Public School Nabha after 2-3 rounds of interview in the pandemic times. My wife used to say, why do you want to shift in the pandemic? Who is shifting in the right mind? I said, just let's do it. Let's try. So I came up here. I was interviewed. I was selected by God's grace. And I landed up here on the 1st of September, 2020. So that's how right now I'm trying my best to serve Punjab Public School Nabha, to find all the channels and the avenues to give the best to the students of the school, as well as the school students who are still connected to me. So this is the journey till now in a nutshell, as an individual, as a teacher, as an educator, as a principal, as a headmaster.
Wonderful. I think you narrated in a very nice manner also. I'm sure, sir, your advice, your journey will help many students who aspire to become teachers, current teachers also, even principals also. This will be very much helpful to the, even it will help all the stakeholders of education. Thank you so much, Mr. Singh, for your time.
Wonderful.
And your advice, your motivation, and it will be very useful. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.